Imagine waking up tomorrow and you don't care whether your desire or your manifestation happen the next minute, the next week, the next month, or the next day. And no, here you are not killing your goal, not killing your dreams, not because you stopped wanting it, but something inside you clicked it. Give me next few minutes and I will make you completely detached from your outcome because the problem was never them. The problem was what you thought it would mean to you. Now think about it. Why do you want that person to text you? Why do you want money? Why do you need this fame? Why do you need that job? Now many people say that I want the relationship, I want the job, I want the money, I want the freedom. But no, you don't need that things. You need the feeling you think those particular materialistic things will give you. You think that if someone will message you or you will be in a relationship, you will feel loved, you will feel safe and chosen. That job, the paycheck, it will make you feel capable, successful, worthy. If you get that money, you will feel secure, freedom. So you don't want them, you want the feelings of having them. And that's what makes the biggest difference. And that is the thing that can help you detach faster. The manifestation itself is just a symbol. The feeling of having it is what you are chasing. And this is where almost everyone gets stuck because you think that the feeling is trapped inside the manifestation and you need that thing to happen so that you can feel it. So you keep looking for it, you keep refreshing the pages, you keep checking the text, and you keep sitting and waiting. And every day becomes a silent question of is it here yet? And every time, whenever it is no, your state changes, your belief changes, your mood changes, your confidence disappears because now you have handled your emotional power to something else. Now, here is the shift. What if the feeling was never inside the manifestation? What if love was already available? What if security was already available? What if peace was already available? And what if the abundance was already available? If that is true, then your desire is no longer your source. It is just an expression of what you have been. Listen to this again. What if the love, the security, the abundance, the fame was already there? If it is true, your desires no longer your source because it is just an expression of what you are, what you already are. Once you understand this, everything shifts because manifestation is not your source, you are. And the moment you understand this, detachment becomes effortless. Detachment is not forcing yourself to care, it's realizing that you don't need that manifestation to happen to make you feel complete. Just think about it. Think about it. Genuinely wealthy person. Do they spend every single day or every single minute thinking that if they are wealthy? No. Think of the person who is in a successful relationship. Do they spend every single minute and every single day thinking, do they deserve love or not? Obviously not. Who knows their worth does not require constant validation. Why? Because certainty eliminates obsession. Then you are attached too much because you are uncertain. But attachment is uncertainty in disguise. When you know something is yours, you relax, you don't obsess. Now just think of it when you order something online, do you refresh the page again and again when it will come, when it will come? No, because you know I have ordered it and it will come. It may take a day or 2 day or it may get delayed due to some reason, but you are so sure that yes, it will come. So why you are not that so much sure in your manifestation that if you have placed an order to the universe, it may come, and if it is yours, it will come, and if it is not yours, something better may arrive. Manifestation also works the same way. Only difference is people nowadays they trust more in the delivery company rather than the universe. Now let's come to the 3D. Is where many people lose their power. No evidence, no text, no movement, no bank balance getting increase. That is where they lose their power. They panic and they feel like, oh, why nothing is happening? I'm doing this, I'm doing that. Still, nothing is changing because 3D is already delayed. It is showing things from your past self, your old assumptions. A mirror reflecting your old assumptions. It is showing what you have already been there. Now imagine steering a giant ship. When you turn the wheel, the ship does not instantly turn. It gets delayed, and you do not panic there because you know you have already taken the turn. The 3D is that ship, and the steering is your assumptions. People turn the wheel and instantly look to the water and they say nothing has happened. Then they turn it back again, then back again, then back again. And the ship never gets the chance to move. Consistency creates movements. Here's the truth that will completely change your manifestation. Your job is not to force the reality. Your job is to become the version or embody the version of yourself who has already achieved that thing or for whom the desire is very normal. Now, if you are in a loving relationship, you won't look for signs and proofs every single second. If you have fame, money, power, you won't look for money every single day. You won't chase every single trend. They are just living, they are just being, they are trusting, and that's how detachment happens naturally. Because when you are being, when you are trusting, when you are claiming your power, and that's why detachment was never about letting go of the desire, it was about letting go of that desperation. Because desperation kills your manifestation, and desire, the passionate desire, helps you achieve it fastly. Keep the desire, but release the need. Keep the vision, but release the obsession. Keep the intention and release the timeline. When you do that, something happens. Life reflects the way you think. You started to become the person everyone is looking for. You get that job, you get that money, you get that power, you get that relationship. And ironically, that is the phase where everything attracts to you, not because detachment is magic trick, but because finally you have told your reality that it is mine. For the next 24 hours, your practice is to do not look for any signs, no evidences, no proof. Let your reality unfold as it wants to unfold. Let you be enjoy this present moment, trust the process, trust your being, and trust the universe timeline. Remember, the moment you stop looking for the proof, you become the proof. And that's the moment where detachment becomes natural. If you like this video, hit the subscribe button and let's manifest your dream life together.